All right, day 2 of this winter storm here in Buffalo. Yesterday the temperature went from 40 degrees in the morning to about 10 degrees in about 3 hours. Well, I'm coming to check on my chickens, but let me show you what I have to go through here. This snowdrift right here is up to the top of the car. And I am not dressed for that. So, what I'm about to do is go put on my snowsuit, grab my shovel, come out here and cut a path, because I have to go check the chickens to make sure that their water has not frozen overnight. Like I said, the temperature dropped to about 10 degrees with the wind chill -0, or excuse me, minus freezing. And you know, though it might not be that cold inside the coop, I'm sure it does get down below freezing, and the water may freeze or could tend to freeze, so I have to go out and check it and make sure to replace it with some unfrozen water, and the chicken should be fine. So let me go get dressed, and I'll be back shortly. Time to take 2. Dressed a little more weather appropriate. Got my snowsuit on, my shovel. Because again, in my backyard, I have to cut a path to my chicken coop. And as you can see, the snowdrift is as tall as the vehicle here, the car here. And I want to check and make sure that the chicken's water has not frozen and that they have food. Even though I filled it up yesterday, you know, when it's colder, the chickens eat a little more to keep their body heat up. So, gotta check and make sure everything's good with them. Let me get started. I'll bring you back once I get a little further along in this job. All right, see you shortly. Okay, well, with my snowsuit on, I just kind of climbed over the snow just to come back here and check on these chickens. You can hear them crowing on the inside. Yeah, you can see the water starting to freeze there. They seem to be fine. I'm not gonna keep it open too long. I'm gonna take this, give them some water that's not frozen. Yeah, give them some water that's not frozen, and they should be fine. Is just starting to freeze. I'm gonna take this in the house, thaw it out, give them some unfrozen water, and then come back out and tackle these snow drifts. Well, that's why it's all the more important to be dressed for the weather, because you never know what you may encounter. As I climb back through these snow drifts, I was gonna try to shovel it, but I ain't even gonna front. I'm about to grab my snow blower and see if I can cut a path that way, because I'm getting too old to be throwing this snow. All right, be back shortly. Got some fresh thawed water for the chicken. And I may have to do this a couple times a day, depending on the temperature. Here's the snowdrift I had to track through. That's the car, snowdrift up to the top of the car. So I'm gonna try to do this with the GoPro and the water in hand. Okay, that wasn't too bad. So, yeah. Let's just see where I'm going. Yeah, you see in some areas you can see the ground. In other areas you have 4-foot snow drifts. But again, these birds have food and water. Let me get this down. As long as they have food and water, and I can keep them directly out of the heat, the wind, they are pretty much fine. Okay. Yeah. Plenty of food, fresh water. I don't believe I'm going to open it up for them today. So I just come back out and check it, maybe in 4 or 5 hours, just to make sure the water has not frozen. And usually it takes longer than that for the water to freeze. With that being said, okay, just another day in the life of taking care of some backyard chickens. Alright. See you again shortly. Thanks for watching.